Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to permanently install Iosgods on iPhone or an iPad. So how can you do it? Just simply open the browser inside your iPhone, Safari browser, and once you open the Safari browser, just search here. Let me just search Iosgods, and once you write down Iosgods, correct spelling, press go, and you will see basically Iosgods. Either you want to add the first one Iosgods or the second one. Let's say this one iOS app codes free hacked apps. So you can just open it directly, and once you open it, so you will see an interface like this one. So from here you can just go to the page that you want to add. Let's say either it is home or apps. You can just scroll down, and otherwise let's say I want to go to the apps. Click on apps, and you will see a list like this. So once you are at this page, what you can do is just click on this share button, which is on the bottom middle corner. Just click on the share button and scroll down, and you will see this list like basically add to home screen. This is the option, find on page and add to home screen. Just click on add to home screen, and you will basically see this one. So just remove it and write down here iOS gods, or just write down the spelling accordingly. Click on add, and now as you can see, it has been added at my home page. Make sure that if they ask to log in with your account, so log in with your account, and after that you will be able to add it like that. And once, let me just close it, let me just delete this one and close my browser. Now if I directly open Iosgods, so I will be directly sent to that page where all the applications are listed. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.